In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit links in Trello cards. Adding a reliable link to a card is a quick way to point your team to specs, files, calendars, or any source you want everyone to reference. We'll keep it simple and make sure your link shows up exactly where it needs to be. Start by opening your Trello board. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and on the board where the task lives. If you're part of multiple teams, double-check the board title at the top so you don't update the wrong place. You'll see your lists and cards laid out in columns like To Do, Doing, or Done. This is your hub for everything that follows. Next, open the specific card where you want the link to live. Click the card's title to open the detailed view. This is the panel that slides out and shows the description, activity, and other options. If your board is busy, feel free to use Trello's search or quick filter to find the card faster. But once you see it, click it to bring up the full details. Now, click inside the description area of the card. If the description is empty, you'll see a prompt inviting you to add details. If there's already text there, place your cursor where the link should go. Type or paste the full URL, including the HTTP or HTTPS at the start. Trello recognizes web addresses automatically, so you don't need anything fancy. You can add a short sentence around the link for context, like what the link is for or when to use it. As you type, watch for Trello to highlight or format the URL, which is a good sign it will become a clickable link after you save. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the description area. This step locks in your changes and turns the plain text URL into a clickable link. After saving, scan the description to confirm the link is active. It should be underlined or styled as a hyperlink, and in many cases, Trello may show a small preview or title from the destination. If it doesn't appear clickable, edit the description again and make sure the address begins with HTTP or HTTPS and that there aren't extra spaces or punctuation attached. That's it. Open your board, open the right card, add the link in the description, and save. With those quick actions, you've given your team a clear, reliable path to the information they need, right where they expect to find it.